So we're back here in Punta Fuego. Napakaganda talaga rito, Joseph.
Yeah.
This is the best place you can ever go in any part of Batangas. And it's actually part of Nasugbu.
Yeah.
Itong Punta Fuego.
Yeah.
Alam mo ba dati dito, Joseph, ha?
Yeah, Joseph.
Joseph. He's my student, by the way. Bago ka magpunta dito sa Punta Fuego, no? Wala pa to. Dahil ito peninsula eh. Puros ito mga tatawag na mga rocky area. Kailangan naka 4-wheel drive ka to be able to come here, no? And the first resort here before was Maya Maya, and it was really talagang undeveloped. Okay? Yung dating Bamboo Cove is now Kawayan Cove. Pinagaganda yung pangalan. Okay? And siyempre, pinakamaganda is the peninsula of Punta Fuego. And with me right now is my student from Chevrolet. Para yung discount ko na kotse, ha?
Oo nga. Oo nga, dapat pag-usapan natin yun.
Huwag mo ko tutubuhan, ha? Ay, ang gaganda ng mga kotse nyo. Kung sakay mo, SUV, magkano yun? 3 liter? 3 liter ba yun?
3.6.
Alam mo ba, nung inakyat mo yung Matarik, yung papuntang Punta Fuego, tumatakbo ka ng mga 80.
Ganun ba? Hindi ko na napansin nun.
Malakas sumatak yung Chevrolet mo. Well, anyway, how's the diving so far?
So far,
2 days of diving.
Great. I recommend you try it.
Ganun lang?
You try, dive with us, dive with my best instructor. He's the best, one of the best.
Alam mo, ang ganda ng sales talk ng kotse mo, ang ganda ng makina eh. Alam mo, yung the best is not enough eh.
Wow!
Di bala. Basta importante, nakikita naman sa face mo.
World class, yes.
Diba? Yun ang pinaka-importante. You don't have to say the best eh. Importante yung nasiyahan ka. At saka lahat ng mga skills na gawa mo.
Yep.
Alright. Okay, this will be our last day of diving. Anong gusto mong skill na gusto mong gawin mamaya? Para lang talagang nandun ang confidence level mo.
I'm challenged with removing the
BCD.
The BCD.
Okay.
There. So I'm challenged there.
Oh, okay.
I wish I could do that, but yeah, with your instruction and help, I'm sure, and guidance of course, I'm sure I will be able to do it.
Sige, madali lang 'yon. Basta't importante lang, huwag kang duwag. Dalawa lang bumabagsak sa course ko eh, yung mga duwag tsaka hindi maka-equalize.
Yep.
All right. So we're going to go diving now, and I'd like to invite all of you, if you're listening in YouTube, to get to search my website or my Facebook or my Twitter account. Hanapin lang nyo ang Free Scuba Course.
Yes.
And that's free. Walang gimmick. Tama ba? May gimmick ba?
Wala.
Pero syempre, wala. Sagot mo pagkain mo, ha? Sagot mo hotel mo. Sagot mo yung boat. Sagot mo yung lisensya. Kasi ang sinabi, free scuba course.
Course.
Alright, you're saving yourself at least $300. Alright, so we'll see you again.